Welcome to Flavorful Journeys, where your taste buds embark on a culinary adventure right from your kitchen. Today, we dive into the aromatic world of spices and flavors as we prepare a classic favorite, fish curry. This isn't just any fish curry. It's a dish that encapsulates the essence of coastal cuisine with its rich, creamy texture and a symphony of spices that dance on your palate. Our recipe today features tender fish fillets simmered to perfection in a luscious blend of tomatoes, onions, and a hand-picked selection of traditional herbs and spices. We'll guide you through each step, from marinating the fish with just the right amount of seasoning to concocting the velvety sauce that's the hallmark of this iconic dish. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, our channel is designed to make cooking a delightful experience. So, grab your apron, and let's get ready to infuse some serious flavor into your meals with this mouth-watering fish curry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our flavorful journeys. Let's cook. Did you know that you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? On our website, you can also view this video as well as print out the scaled recipe. This unique feature will help you scale the recipe to your desired servings or hotness. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. Let's move on to the actual recipe now.
Take a 1/3 cup of lemon juice in a deep dish. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds. Rub them in your palms to break them open. Add 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Add half a teaspoon of blended green chilies or green chilies paste. Mix well. Cover the fish fillets with a mixture to marinate. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Leave to marinate for minimum 30 minutes. Fry the fish, turning it over, on medium heat, till the fish is golden brown. Take 3/4 of a cup oil in a pan. Heat on medium heat. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 6 curry leaves. Stir fry till the cumin starts to crackle. Add 1 medium, finely chopped onion. Fry, stirring occasionally till the onion starts to change color. Add half a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Stir fry till the mixture is golden brown. Add the blended paste of 2 large tomatoes. Stir fry a little till the water starts to dry. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Mix well. Add 1 cup of water. Stir and cover to cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and stir well. Fry till the water is dry and the oil separates. When the water is dry and the oil separates, add 1 cup of water. Let simmer for about 5 minutes. Add the fried fish to the gravy. Allow to simmer for about 10 minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy with naan bread, chapati or rice as desired.